HillbillyNitro, your internet knife buddy, back at it again with another episode of TheWalk&Talk. Ching! Guess what we got going on today, guys? Number 85, or should I say two number 85s. Let's get to it. Oh, don't forget, if you're new. Anyways, let's get to it, guys. This is gonna be a sweet video. I've been waiting to do this video. Man, have I been waiting. Open off camera there, that way we don't bump the camera. I already have once, so let's see which one we want to pull out for this video. There's number one. Get the other one out. Uh-oh. Yeah, let's do this one. And I'll drop both of these videos today. I think these knives both deserve their own video. And in the interest of time, we'll do one video for each. So, there we go. Blood Red Jigged Bone. Oh, this is going to be a sweetie. But I think that tiger wood's going to be pretty interesting. Anyways, let's get to it. Oh man, this is hard work, I'll tell you. Hard work. What a tough day. You guys ready for this? Here we go. Ching! Look at that. What a beauty. Oh man. Oh, and it's got a brushed satin finish too. Oh man. What a sweetie pie. Man, it looks sweet. Perfect condition. Just perfect. Of course it should be, it's new, but man, it just looks beautiful. Looks like a piece of candy. Look at that. The match striking. Man, I wish I would have got one of these. But I didn't catch the reserve. But I get to do a video, so at least I get to fondle some. Wow. Let's open her up. Oh yeah, that feels great. That is great. Let's back off just a little bit here. That is great. Look at that big old fat spear. I love a fat spear like this. This is, like I've said before, this is one of my grail knives. I have a number 85. Man, that is sweet. That pull is about a 7. Yep. Definitely a 7. Just perfect. I think a 7's perfect. Got the easy open notch there. Man, this is sweet. Let's take a look around her here. Look at that. Just beautiful. Look at that coloring. It's just perfect. They done a great job. That is just beautiful. Look at that. Let's check those transitions. Man, that's perfect. Centering, perfect. Man, they done a great job on this fit and finish right here. That is perfect. I think, yeah, I'm going to have to give this one a 10. Be honest with you. They got into the bolster right there a little bit, or the end cap right there. course, that's not nothing major. Yeah, this fit and finish is awesome on this one. And that is just dead center. It's a number, about a 7 pull, maybe a 7.5, but I'm gonna say a 7 to be safe. That is just great. I mean, look at that, just perfect. I believe this is the best fit and finish I've seen all year. I usually can't tell that much by looking through the screen here, the LCD screen, but I can see it. It's just perfect. Man, that's nice. What a beauty. Man, that is a sweet. There's your Tang stamps. Let's see how they done on the plunge cuts here. Yeah, they're about straight. They're about as even as they got into the Tang there a little bit on the sharpening. Just a little bit. See that little flat right there? Yeah, this execution on this one's perfect. I can't wait to open up that tiger wood. Of course, you'll see both of these in that other video. What a beauty, guys. Man. It's going to be hard to ship this one off. That is just perfect. Well, let's take one more last look at her, guys, and we'll wrap this one up. I tell you, I'm going to be taking a look at this one later. Man, it's sweet. They nailed it. Thumbs up to GEC. Well, that's going to wrap it up, guys. I thank you for tuning in, listening to me yak about this beautiful piece. We'll catch you on the next one, guys. So stay tuned for that tiger wood. It'll be dropping today too. So, Hillbilly, over and out of here, guys. Peace.